Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 30 Fusion, and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, let's open your contact list, for example using the dialer, and then let's find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. Now let's tap on this pencil icon in the right upper corner and tap on Add Photo. And as you can see here, we've got two different options from which we can choose. So we can either take a photo, and then after picking this option, your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you are able to catch a photo of him or her, or you can choose a photo from the gallery. And I will pick this option, so let me tap on it. Now let me just find the photo and tap. And as you can see, from this step we can adjust the size of this highlighted square, we can change the position of the photo, we can also zoom it in or out, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this area is responsible for it. We can also rotate the picture, it's up to you, and if you are ready, just tap on Save Copy. As you can see, the photo will immediately appear in this circle, so remember to tap on Save in the right upper corner, it's very important. And here we've got our contact. What's more, the photo will be visible right here on the contact list, or during, for example, all incoming calls from that number. So basically that's all. This is how to add the photo to a contact in your Motorola Edge 30 Fusion. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.